My name's CeAnn Marks. I'm a second year psychology master's student working with Dr. Lauren Sergio, and I'm in the brain behavior and cognitive sciences stream. My research involves, it's essentially looking at the sex differences in concussion recovery, specifically in the domains of emotionality and cognitive motor integration. So what this means for people who are unfamiliar with the topic, it's basically that men and women often recover from certain conditions like concussion differently. And I'm basically looking at how men and women recover differently in terms of their emotions that they display after a concussion, and also their hand-eye coordination and ability to perform complex movements. So I chose this topic because I've always been pretty interested in concussion research and just kind of the mechanisms behind it and how it manifests differently in people. And I was prompted to explore the research that I'm currently doing when I looked at some work from a former PhD student in our lab, and she kind of found some preliminary information or data suggesting that males and females do recover differently in those domains that I was speaking about, emotionality and cognitive motor integration. So I wanted to basically take this and explore it on a larger scale to see if these same relationships still applied. The main part of my research that I enjoy the most is honestly learning about the different technology in the lab. There's a lot of cool things that are going on. We use tablets, a specific like tablet computerized task for our assessment of cognitive motor integration. And then also some side work that we're doing is involving augmented reality. So being able to test that out and look at the different scenes and be able to interact with it, it's really cool. I think that's my favorite part. So the goal with this, and it's one of the reasons I'm also very happy to be a part of it, is it's somewhat novel in that concussion research has mainly looked at males or a combination of males and females, but hasn't really looked at distinct differences between males and females. So the goal, hopefully, is that this research directly or indirectly will help create like specific sex-specific treatment and approaches to concussion management. So the idea is that if you have more individualized treatment, that will improve post-concussion outcomes or the symptoms that people experience post-concussion.